when we talk about patient experience, let's talk about, what does that really mean? And so about a year and a half ago, I interviewed many patients that I'd already performed surgery on and asked them a single question, what would it take for you to be satisfied with your hair restoration? So the answers that I got there were really very interesting because, I've been at this for 20-some years, so I thought, I pretty much knew what to expect, and I'd already worked with these people, so, I didn't expect any surprises. But lo and behold, there was always some little bit of information that came out in that interview that surprised me. Sometimes in a good way, sometimes I was not pleasantly surprised because I found out that, hey, we really didn't do as well as the patient expected us to do in a specific area. So what we ultimately came up with after all these interviews was a list of common patient expectations. And so we have this list that we provide our patients, and we give this to them before the first consultation, and we review it during the consultation. And we make notes on all these things like, confidentiality. Do they care if anybody knows that they're having a hair restoration done? Do they not care? And what are we going to do to manage that? Patients want to understand the process. Patients want timely appointments. They want to know that, I'm seeing them when their appointment is and they don't have to wait. And also, sounds interesting, but people want to know that they can trust the doctor. So they need to feel confident in that relationship. So they understand and are confident maybe in our ability to be able to perform technically, but people want to connect with the medical staff and the doctor and make sure that they feel comfortable in that relationship so they can do something as big an event as having a hair restoration. Ultimately, what really matters to us, we really want to create an environment where people feel comfortable, confident, and that their experience is something they want to tell everybody about. And that's how I want to build our business, through loyalty and patient referrals. The best thing to do is to either email us, you can call the office, go on our Facebook page and send us a message, but tell us what you want to know. We're asking our patients and other people out there to tell us what they want to know so that we can give them the information that they need.